Get ready for some wow with Mike in Motion. I am on the ground in our community, and today Mike in Motion brings you to F&M Bank in Evans, and I'm with Mr. Michael Harley.
How are you?
Thanks for inviting us here today.
It's great to have you in the building.
You know, we talk about this Evans location so much, so it's nice to be here so everybody can see how beautiful it is. I mean, look how warm the fireplace is. I mean, here's a living room. I could just probably take a nap right here.
Right.
And talk. You deal with my money and I'll take a nap.
We're very proud of this office, very proud of it. We think that it's an inviting atmosphere. People come in, you would be surprised how many people will not go to the drive-through to come in because it's inviting. And then people know everybody in the office.
Yes.
Everybody gets to know everyone in the office. And so it is true relationship banking.
Yes.
A lot of banks profess it, but we actually live it.
Well, I can profess it because, you know, I bank here, and when I try to come in because you are my friends, but while the cameramen were setting up today, the people coming in, and some very important people in town I see coming in, are talking. They have built relationships with you and your team, and they're talking, and they're hugging, they're shaking hands. I mean, it's a really great family atmosphere.
It's a vital ingredient these days in banking because it's missing in banking.
Absolutely.
And we've kind of, with our model, we've brought it back. You know, the feeling of going in and being appreciated and knowing who you're talking to. I've said this all the time. Our employees love being here, so we have very little turnover.
Yes.
And so the customers, they don't have to come in and re-explain their situations to a new person. They can come in and everybody knows who they are, knows pretty much what they need and what they're about, and things just tend to roll like that. And so we have a lot of time for conversation, and we learn about each other. And it just deepens the relationships and makes people stick with F&M Bank.
It certainly does, yes. You know, I have a show and I have great partners of the show, and I know sometimes the partners aren't really involved with the host of the show, but my partners are true partners. I partner with my partners, and I bank with you guys. And you work with my business banking, my personal banking, and then we're now working on a commercial loan as well. So you're very involved with what I do, and you're invested in me as I am in you.
And I think that's so important because the bank the size of us, we understand that when our customers grow, we grow. And that is so important. We are very in tune with what our customers' needs are. We make introductions between customers when we know it's appropriate. And we know that they can benefit from meeting with each other.
Yes.
And it just creates and deepens these relationships. And it also solidifies the foundation of our customer base that tends to not go anywhere.
Yes, you are a connector. I mean, you do connect me with people all the time. You were doing that earlier today, but you always do this. Talking about growth, you guys are getting ready to break ground in Grovetown.
We are.
Yes.
We are, and excited about it. It's going to be an office that looks strikingly like this one. And you know, we want to carry that inviting atmosphere, but also it kind of bookends our presence out this way and gives some more convenience to our customers. And we're going to continue to grow beyond that. We've got decisions to make beyond that, but our plan is to continue to grow. And you know, people just get used to seeing the F&M logo, and we're proud of that. We're proud of what we bring to the table. I've often said this because since I've started here, I believe our bank is a breath of fresh air. The other bankers that go in, and nothing against them, but they're very much in a rush to get things done, and we can have this nice pace that's comfortable, and our customers respond to it. And customers that have been to the bigger banks and been through the rigmarole, they're thankful for the way that we do things.
This is the first time in my life banking where again, it's comfortable to come in. I feel like I'm with friends. I mean, I remember banking with a variety of banks before where it was almost, I never wanted to go in. It was always going to be through the drive-through. And it did. It was impersonal, and it was a kind of a quick thing, and it just, it wasn't a pleasant experience at all.
Well, we try to make sure that when everybody enters the door, that they're greeted, and they all know, they know Brandy, they know Ben, and they're greeted right away. You know, and we have Lori and Devin back there. They're familiar faces every day. The customer gets to know them, and it just creates a comfortable environment.
Yes,
It really
absolutely.
does.
Yeah, it does, the whole thing, you know, but not only the building, how nice it is, it feels like a home, but again, the personalized service is really great. Tell us some of the things that some of the banking details that you guys serve.
Well, I am namely focused on commercial banking.
Okay.
I do some personal banking as well. It tends to be the business owners of people that I bank or people of that nature. I do the personal stuff too, but I'm more commercially focused along with Nathan Strickland. Brandy works with us. Brandy knows our customers oftentimes much better than we do.
Love talking to Brandy when I come in.
And Connie knows everybody in town.
Yes.
Rolanda has been in banking for a long time, and she too, she can make connections, and she gets people, you know, to come in, and it's just comforting. It's
Yes.
a comforting place.
Absolutely. The tellers are always great, whether they're, you know, here at the counter or through the drive-through. They're
Yeah.
really amazing.
And I'll always say, don't let our size in the small bank fool you. We can get in the ring and be very competitive on just about any situation that can be thrown at us.
That's awesome. I can't thank you enough for inviting us in today and letting everybody see what an amazing facility this is. Just really, really great. Just warm and friendly. We love everything that F&M brings to the county, to the counties out here, you know, in the CSRA and in the other locations. Washington.
We're in Washington, we have Lincolnton, we have Crawfordville. We have 5 offices total, with the 6th one coming on, and we're going to have a much larger presence in this immediate market very, very soon.
That's amazing. Well, pay attention. F&M Bank is growing with us, and you want to check out what they have going on. Mike, thanks again for being here with me today.
Thank you, Mike. I really appreciate it. Always fun when you come in.
Awesome. Thanks for joining Mike in Motion. Stay tuned. We'll be right back.